Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Bhai with my new video. In this video, I will give you complete and detailed formulation of calcium stearate. Now, come on the process. For calcium stearate, first of all, we have to make sodium stearate. And this is how sodium stearate formulation. First of all, we have to take stearic acid and raise the temperature. In meanwhile, temperature raise, we have to wait and dissolve sodium carbonate, soda ash. Dissolve well. Now come back on stearic acid. After dissolving, now we will come back on stearic acid. When temperature goes to 60 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade, all stearic acid will be melt, and then add solution of sodium carbonate. This is going to make sodium stearate. When you add sodium carbonate solution in stearic acid, the reaction will be start. All material will be emboss or swell. After reaction, the reaction has been start and raise the temperature between 95 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. Look, as temperature increasing, reaction is going to fast. Now we have to wait and dissolve calcium chloride. This is calcium chloride. For making calcium stearate, calcium chloride and sodium stearate is necessary. Reaction of both items, it makes calcium stearate. Now look, this is sodium stearate going to reaction. As we raise the temperature, the reaction is going to fast. Look at the bottom of beaker. There is separation of water. It is sign of every kind of stearate. When you add water and stearate will be separate. It's sign that sodium stearate is near to finish. When you see the water level is high, then add solution of calcium chloride. Now we are adding calcium chloride solution. If you feel this is my formulation is authentic, then please subscribe my channel, share this video to others, like and comments as well. Now look, as we raise the temperature, reaction going to fast and separation going to high. Temperature must between 95 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. Must. Stir well in all process A to Z. Stir well. Look, when you stir, the separation of water is going to high. Water level is going to high when reaction going to be complete. Look at the bottom of beaker. Look, it's mean calcium stearate reaction going to finish. Look. Now it is very important process. Now I going to very important process. Watch very carefully and listen very carefully. Now add the water for washing this process. Why washing is necessary? Because we are doing reaction with sodium stearate and calcium chloride. It becomes calcium stearate, but sodium chloride is byproduct. Because sodium chloride is water soluble product, you can't see this. Now you have to take wash for releasing sodium chloride, which is byproduct. Add water and stir well. You have to repeat this process 4 to 5 times. Add more water for washing. I repeat my words, you have to repeat this process of washing 4 to 5 times. After washing, you have to filter calcium stearate. You have to filter calcium stearate. Many material will be in powder shape because this is not water soluble product. So powder will be upper level on water. Then again add water and raise the temperature 95 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. Then again filter and washing. Repeat this process 4 to 5 times. Then dry this product. Now it become a very white powder as named calcium stearate. Calcium stearate is ready now. Now come on formulation. This is formulation of calcium stearate. Stearic acid 48 kg, sodium carbonate 18 kg. It become sodium stearate. Then add calcium chloride 35 kg. Reaction, washing, filtration and drying the powder. It becomes calcium stearate. If you feel my formulation is synthetic, my formulation is good, then please subscribe my channel, likes and comments. Click on bell icon for notification of my next upcoming videos. We will meet in next video with a new topic, new article and new formulation. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.